Today I'm making a delicious loaded potato bowl. It's got roasted potatoes that are seasoned nicely, topped with some taco meat. You can add lettuce. I did some sour cream, guacamole, and some pico de gallo, and it is delicious. Chef's kiss. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it. I'm using Yukon Gold potatoes that I've washed, and I leave the skin on, which saves a ton of time, and I'm cutting them into small cubes, which helps them cook faster. Place them in a large bowl and spray with oil. For my seasonings, I've got smoked paprika, cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano powder, and salt. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and you're going to bake it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes depending on your oven. For our pico de gallo, we've got tomatoes, red onions, and half a jalapeno with the seeds removed. I'm using my dicer, but you can also just dice everything up by hand. This dicer just makes my life easier when I'm trying to make quick dinners during the week. It comes with so many different size blades, and for this pico de gallo, I use the medium dicer for the tomatoes and then the smaller dicer for the onion and jalapenos. Add in some chopped cilantro along with some lime juice and salt and pepper to taste. Taste for salt and spice and adjust as needed. You can totally add in more jalapeno if you prefer it on the spicier side. Mine was perfect. I'm also making a quick guacamole using 2 nicely ripened avocados, and there's no double chopping needed, which is the best part because we already have the pico de gallo to add to our guacamole. I'm just adding in some roasted garlic, but regular garlic is fine, as well as a little more salt and pepper, and you can use a masher or a fork to combine until it's smooth. Heat your pan on medium-high heat. For our taco meat, I'm using lean ground beef, but you can also sub for full-fat ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, or chorizo. Once it's browned a bit, I'm going to add in my garlic and saute for about a minute. For the seasonings, I've got paprika, cumin, garlic powder, and onion powder, and a little salt and pepper, but you can also sub with your favorite taco seasoning. I just like to make my own seasonings because I can control what's in it. You'll then add in the tomato paste and cook for 2 minutes until the tomato paste is fully combined. Turn the heat to medium and add in the water and let that simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Check for salt and pepper and bueno. Our potatoes are done just in time, so let's go ahead and start building our bowl. Start with a layer of the potatoes, of course, and then you'll go ahead and top it with your taco meat. And I love to add some Mexican cheese, but you can add whatever cheese you prefer. With a dollop of sour cream or even crema would work really great. I add in some pico de gallo and finally some guacamole. Let's get a little potato in here, some of the sour cream and guac. Yes. That is delicious. The potatoes are perfectly cooked and seasoned well with the taco meat. I love these toppings. You can add taco sauce or lettuce and it's delicious. Let me know if you guys like it in the comments.